Hello, Professor Edwin. This oral presentation is going to be the exam of the first term. It's going to be focused on our research project. With my partner Leo Duran, we are going to share with you all the advances that we made in this first chapter. And this way, the main ideas and arguments will be presented and supported thanks to authors, theories, and papers which have connection with this study. The title of this research project is The Influence of Classroom Practicum in Pre-Service Teachers' Identity Construction in the Foreign Language Program at the University of Pamplona. This first chapter includes the problem statement, the purpose of the study, the justification, the research questions, the objective, the limitation and ethical considerations, and finally, the chapter summary.